Unraveling Reality, Science, Perception, and the Nature of Existence. Throughout history, those who dared to speak the full truth, prophets, seers, and great teachers, often met resistance, even death. Their insights into existence challenged the established norms, and their words disrupted the comfort of certainty. Then came science. It did not just challenge old beliefs, it rejected the mystical, the spiritual, and the unexplained. It sought truth, often looking in places where it was unlikely to be found. Yet science had one invaluable trait: it kept asking questions. And with each question, it built new tools, lenses to see farther into the universe and deeper into the fabric of reality itself. Microscopes opened a new frontier, allowing us to explore the fundamental nature of matter. Just a few decades ago, an instant in the vast timeline of the cosmos, we discovered atoms. We were told these were the indivisible building blocks of everything. Whether gold, hydrogen, or lead, all things were made of atoms. Atoms had mass, occupied space, and represented the core of physical existence. That, we were assured, was the final answer. But it wasn't. Breaking the illusion of solidity. Curiosity did not stop there. Science kept refining its vision, developing better instruments to peer even deeper into the atomic structure. And when scientists finally looked inside the electron, they found nothing. What had seemed so certain, matter itself, vanished into an unexpected reality. Instead of solid particles, they found subatomic flashes, tiny bursts of energy blinking in and out of existence. The so-called solid world was built not from matter, but from patterns of energy, appearing and disappearing at frequencies beyond human comprehension. Newtonian physics, long the foundation of our understanding, had painted a picture of a mechanistic universe, a world of solid objects bound by predictable forces. Yet, as quantum mechanics unfolded, it revealed something entirely different. There was no absolute physical reality. Even when we probed deeper into the nucleus of an atom, the pattern remained. No thing was truly there. Instead, reality seemed to be a dynamic play of subatomic energy, constantly shifting between presence and absence, so fast that our instruments could barely keep up. Physicist Fred Alan Wolf once posed an intriguing question. When we see particles blinking in and out of existence, could it be that, in the very moment they vanish for us, another physicist over there sees them appear? This idea challenges the very nature of existence. If reality is not truly physical in the way we once thought, what is it? What this means for you. Science has led us to a revelation. The universe is not made of matter, but of no-thing, an energy that appears to be something only because of how it behaves. Reality is not fixed, but a process of constant emergence and dissolution. According to Buddhist teachings, this blinking in and out of existence happens at an unimaginable rate, sextillion times per second, 1 sextillion times per second. What we perceive as stable and continuous is in truth a rapid flickering of energy. And this is where it becomes deeply personal. You are that. Your body, your thoughts, your experiences, all of it is part of this endless, ever-changing dance of energy. Applying this understanding, a simple memory technique. I know this is a lot to take in, which is why I want to keep things simple. Let's start by anchoring this idea in a way that helps you remember it effortlessly. We will use a structured approach to link abstract concepts to memorable images. The first key word we will work with is existence. To remember existence, we break it down. Desert. This represents the environment where we will place the concept. So a saw is like a real saw, cutting stuff. The connection to the word existence. It is an S representing the last zero in 100. Eggs. The first syllable of existence sounds like eggs. Soda, using the major system stance, can be linked to the consonants ST, represented by the picture word, soda. Now imagine a simple story. A saw lies in the desert, cutting through eggs, and beside it sits a soda bottle. You might forget the story itself, but you won't forget the key elements. The connections will remain in your memory, making it easier to recall that 100 in our system represents existence. This is just the beginning. Next time, we will move to the next concepts: being, 101, entity, 102, the absolute, 103, and divineness, 104. This approach transforms abstract ideas into tangible knowledge you can use, recall, and build upon. Final thoughts. This journey, bridging science, philosophy, and personal understanding, is not about abstract theories alone. It is about shifting perspectives, expanding awareness, and making sense of the profound reality in which we exist. By questioning what we think we know, and by adopting tools to process and retain deep truths, we gain not just insight, but the ability to shape our understanding of the world in a meaningful way. Let's continue this journey together,